Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of tangent cube of x times secant square of x. At first glance, this looks complicated, but there is a very important pattern here. We have a power of tangent, and we also have a secant square term. This combination is a strong signal for substitution. So let's recall a key derivative. The derivative of tangent of x is secant square of x. Now look at the integral. We already have secant square of x dx, which perfectly matches the derivative of tangent. So we use substitution. Let u equal tangent of x. Then du is secant square of x dx. So the integral becomes u cubed du. Now the problem is much simpler. We just integrate u cubed. That gives u to the fourth divided by 4. Now substitute back. We replace u with tangent of x. So the result is tangent to the fourth power of x divided by 4 plus c. Let's quickly understand why this works. The secant squared term matched the derivative of tangent exactly, which allowed us to convert everything into a simple polynomial. Quick takeaway. Whenever you see powers of tangent with a secant squared factor, use substitution with u equals tangent of x.